Good morning. This is Asmaa Atta. I'm the first corporate and first artificial intelligence manager for Saudi DR Consultancy. And there's a picture website for Saudi DR where I'm being featured on, and that's my LinkedIn profile for anyone who wants to reach for the presentation or any topic furtherly. Looking forward to it. Let's start out our presentation today. Today we'll be talking about artificial intelligence used in construction sector and how it's very crucial to use AI. What's artificial intelligence? In a brief, it's a mimic for the human intelligence in machines that can perform tasks faster with higher performance in their output for the sake of helping humans. Going through artificial intelligence, we have to go through the timeline of digital construction technologies throughout from the use of ACAD, BIM, VR, autonomous system, 3D printing, going through artificial intelligence and blockchain. There are 7 ways that AI will affect the construction industry, or will be taking us through our presentation, our 7 items. The first thing is the safety improvement. That's where AI leverage to monitor job sites. Construction companies can improve safety, reduce cost, and optimize workflows. AI power system can detect safety hazards with crucial for construction site and construction industry in general, where you can have alerts for workers in real time and monitor environmental conditions for the sake of reducing any hazard or any potential issue. Construction sites are dangerous, as you know, just as we said. That's where can AI help reduce these risks through monitoring jobs and identifying these harms. Going through a report that's very crucial in our presentation, actually going through any aspect that AI powered safety systems can reduce accidents by 25% in the construction sites. Second, solution production and increased productivity. In the end of the day, it's productivity that's measure our success in the project. So like how things are being done is construction. If it undertake the artificial intelligence, well, it can help engineers to be up to date. And with the latest technology, they can have the best method utilized for project well information and whatever is being needed on the project. Also, to increase productivity, you need to provide, however, on site with one of the subsets of AI is autonomous vehicles or robots or automated vehicles in general, like bulldozers, cranes, or other vehicles that can facilitate the continuity of the productivity of the work throughout the construction site tasks. That's why AI can help construction companies streamline their operation and increase their productivity at the end of the day. Throughout AI powered scheduling system where you can optimize project time, ensure resources allocation, and so on. According to FMI, companies can implement AI powered system and increase productivity by 50%. Third, cost saving. So like AI can help us reduce a lot of costs. For example, this company that's in the UK that used to analyze past projects to accurately predict the quantity of material that would be required for the project, and this actually reduced the cost of it reduced the cost by 20% out of the usual. Fourth is better project management. That's where you need to have a better project management for the full cycle of the project throughout the initial stage, the full execution of the project in means of the construction site. And that's throughout, going through the administrative role where you allocate everyone throughout the project, checking who is on a sick leave, who is not, who could be the replacement. All these kinds are, in a nutshell, thing of an AI input to help the construction industry. If you can talk on a construction procedure level, where you can deploy drones, drone mapping, software deployment, where you can cut down the time to gather accurate survey maps and information for a live site analysis and identification for where you can identify everything in the site, where you can identify issues and conflicts that could happen at some point, so like avoiding issues in the end of the day. So that's where you track progress, monitor budgets, and identify potential issues. That's the conclusion of it. It's and this happens through analyzing data through multiple resources, including sensors, cameras, and again, the reports, how AI and what the major impact that happened through the transition of the use of AI. According to markets, so like there is this kind of huge growth from $407 million to $1.8 billion by 2023. And that's a huge increase in the demand for the project management solutions by the use of AI. Fifth is the enhanced quality control. So like at the end of the day, you need to have a full quality control on your construction project or whatever project in whatever industry you have already in the process. So to enhance manufacturing quality, you need to have quality control through the process optimization. An AI-driven system can analyze vast amounts of production data in real time, detecting whatever issue could happen. It's like you can avoid any potential error or defect at the end of the project. That's, of course, to make sure that you have the high standards of quality. That's through AI-powered tool, where you can still analyze data through sensors, cameras, to make sure that you capture any deviation from any specification. And that's where you found this huge difference in this report, according to Market and Markets, that there is a global market for AI. Quality control is expected to grow from 345 million, that's in 2018, to 1.2 billion by 2023. That's the latest report I found. That's a huge growth and is indeed very crucial to happen. Number six is the improved sustainability. To have an improved sustainability is a concept that where you need to have things either automated to have things to be sustained, or even like sustainability through decreasing the waste. So that's here throughout making our home more efficient. That's part of the sustainability definition, as one of the AI part tools that can help us to have energy efficient. Similarly, the IoT of automating our job sites to make them safer for the construction workers through wearing wearable sensors such as Spot R. You can look it up if you want to know more how it's being used. That's where you can identify the worker, and provide an alert to avoid slipping or fall. Also, that's when we talk about sustainability on the factor of environmental impact, and AI can help actually reducing this waste and optimizing resource use. And that's where AI powered tools can identify the areas where his energy is being used the most and suggest ways to reduce this kind of consumption. According to a report by PwC, AI powered sustainability solution can help construction companies reduce their carbon footprint up to 4%, which we are actually right now in like fighting climate change and all this kind of things that going through our planet. So sustainability and the use of AI for the sake of sustainability is becoming crucial. Seventh, and that's the last point, that's where you need to have faster and accurate inspection, and that's where you can use AI to be very efficient in use. How? Because like AI and machine learning is actually based on analyzing data that's being embedded into them. That's one of the things. The use of robots on site that's even powered by AI and machine learning could, instead of the use of conventional construction method and site inspection throughout the construction period. So in the future, you can have robots that could build structures that are extreme and have this kind of environment that's not suitable for human, like to work on, to avoid, like to make them aware of dangerous tasks and not prone to any hazard situation. Also, AI in means of inspection could be more quicker and accurately with the use of AI. Of course, like humans, still there is a human error that could happen at some point. So, like AR power tool can analyze the data from the sensors, cameras. So, like this will help us to identify potential issues, allowing inspectors to focus on areas that requires more of an attention from them. Again, according to a report of Markets and Markets, the global market for AI partner inspection solution are expected to grow from $5 to $4 million in 2018, that's past, to 2.2 billion by 2023, which is still expecting to grow even after, of course. As a conclusion, AI has transformed the construction industry drastically in many ways, from improving safety, increasing productivity, and reducing cost. And that's what we are looking for is a future with minimal error. And I just want to add something in the end of this presentation that, in my opinion, which is could be wrong, right, that AI will not replace human. On the other side, they will help human to have their jobs being done, and for the human to have another jobs being created through the use of technology. So that's my take into the use of technology. And the point where you ask, is AI gonna take my job? That's why it's important to be very alert in this competitive, rapid changing market where you need to embrace more tools and technologies has become more essential. And that's what we are already now doing. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great event. And if you have any questions,